Hi everyone, this is Amrita and welcome to my channel amritahenna. Thank you so much to all my subscribers for always showering so much love and support on my channel. And just in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon to never miss a video update from me. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 5 most frequently asked questions about Mehndi. As a Mehndi artist, I'm always receiving so many questions on my social media as well as my YouTube comments. Some basic questions like how to properly hold a Mehndi cone or how to get a really dark Mehndi stain, or some really basic questions like where to find the best Mehndi powder. So here are the top 5 frequently asked questions about Mehndi and their answers just for you. The first most common question that I get is, what is Mehndi? And the answer is, Mehendi or henna comes from a plant called Lawsonia inermis, which is also commonly known as the Mehendi plant. The leaves from the Mehendi plant are dried and crushed in a grinder to make a fine powder out of it, which is available for purchase in shops and online. This Mehendi powder is further mixed with ingredients like essential oils, sugar and water and made into a paste to be used on hands and feet. The Mehendi leaves have natural staining properties which, when mixed with other ingredients, leave a beautiful dark red stain on your body. If you want to learn how to make Mehendi paste at home, after watching this video, please go ahead in the description and you'll find the link to my Mehendi making recipe down there. Moving on to our next question, how long does it last for? So it usually lasts for a week to 10 days depending on how warm your body is and how good you take care of it. It always stains the darkest on our palms as opposed to the feet because the skin is thick and the stain can penetrate to deeper layers. With the use of best quality products and proper aftercare, it can sometimes last up to a month. If you have any questions about how to get a dark Mehendi stain, after watching this video, please drop your comments below and I would love to answer those for you. Moving on to our next question, how long does it take to dry? So it normally takes half an hour to 45 minutes for the Mehendi to dry, depending on how much sugar you put in the paste. The use of the sugar is to make the Mehendi stick better to your skin. So if you live in a dry climate, I would suggest using more sugar than as opposed to if you live in a humid climate. Some easy fast drying techniques can be using a blow dryer or a hair dryer as we commonly call it, sitting in front of a fan or sitting in front of a heater if you are in cold weather, or heating your hands on top of a stove. Another common question is, does Mehendi come in colors? And the very straightforward answer to that is, no, it does not. Natural Mehendi is always green in color because it comes from a plant, and anything other than this has some kind of artificial substances mixed in it like dyes or some other kinds of chemicals. So the next time you get your Mehendi done, please make sure you ask your artist that they are using 100% natural and safe products for you, because anything other than that, especially the black Mehendi that you get in the market, can have very dangerous effects on your skin. And as I said that natural Mehendi is only green in color because it comes from a plant, the white Mehendi that you see is also not natural Mehendi. It's a mix of body paint and glue. And before we move on to our last question, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss any video update from me. Now moving on to our last question, which Mehendi powder is the best? And the answer to this is there's different types of Mehndi powders available in different parts of the world. But if you live in India, then I'm a proud promoter and supporter of 100% natural Mehndi powder from Sojat, Rajasthan. Sojat is a place in the Rajasthan state in India which produces about 90% of the total Mehndi production of the country. I hope you enjoyed my video everyone, and please subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. Enjoy!